At approximately 1:30 p.m. Tuesday afternoon, Kingsport Fire Department and Sullivan County EMS responded to a car versus motorcycle accident at the intersection of Netherland Inn Road and Ridgefields Road. According to the Kingsport Police Department, the 1998 BMW was traveling west on Netherland Inn and attempted a left-hand turn onto Ridgefields Road. The vehicle turned in front of a 2007 Honda VTX motorcycle driven by Billy Clark, who suffered minor injuries and was transported to Holstion Valley Hospital by ambulance.